Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take a look what just arrived. It is a 2025 Newmar Dutch Star 4325. Just in time for the spring market. It is sitting on a Freightliner chassis. Ooh, it's windy today. That's why I don't have the awnings out. Girard awnings they are. We got slide toppers, dual pane windows, nice fiberglass rear cap. Cummins 450 horsepower, 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. Look at the full wall slide here, folks. Awnings on the windows. There's your egress door, your emergency door, side radiator. Let's go in. I see what's optioned in with the outside cooler freezer. 365 70R 22.5 on the Alcoa alloys. Woo-wee! Nice and toasty in here. Must be because of the heated floors. Must be because of 3 heat pumps that are running. Or the hung wall construction with extra insulation. All right. Power. Recliners. There's the dinette. Now we are in the 4325. Therefore, the kitchen area, living area is bigger than the 4369. As you can see, apartment size dishwasher. This peninsula goes in like so. Convection microwave, air fryer. We got a televator. There we go. Star Trek time. All right, your Bose sound system. Let me show you the sink and the burners. Here are the 2 induction cooktops. Stainless steel farm style sink, apartment size dishwasher, central vacuum system. All right, the 4369 does give you more living space, but more pantry with these beautiful shelves that lock into place. You hear that wood? Awesome. We got an ice maker, water dispensing, another pantry section. Love it. Yeah, you still get the king size bed, absolutely. Another TV is in her closets. Look at the storage, folks. Fit and finish unreal. LED lighting within the wood. Newmar is certainly well known for that. Hey, I forgot the half bath. Let's check it out. Porcelain toilet. Beautiful sink. Again with awesome woodwork. All right, let's keep going. That's the half bath. Let's take a look at the full bath. Now this full bath is not as big as the 4369, but the 4325 you do get that extra living space. Real ceramic tile, tiki seat, his and her medicine cabinets, another porcelain toilet, more storage. What's behind here? Ta-da! So if you're gonna sell your house to get this, no worries, you can live in this too. Happens a lot. All right, one thing I forgot. This guy. You got daytime and nighttime shades throughout, and they are power operated. Folks, if you want to see this in person or get more information, please reach out to our friendly sales staff. Book an appointment to view. We'll get this opened up for you. We'll get it lit up and ready for show. Our phone number is 388-5751. area code 506. And yes, for you US shoppers out there, we have hotel rooms waiting for you. Bye for now.